Aeroplane working mechanism. Take a flight with us as we explore the fascinating working mechanism of an aeroplane. From its intricate anatomy to the complex principles of aerodynamics, we'll unlock the mysteries behind this marvel of engineering. Fuselage. The main body of the aeroplane that holds the cockpit, passengers, and cargo. Wings. Thin, curved structures that produce lift and keep the plane in the air. Engines. The propulsion system that generates the thrust needed to move the plane forward.
Aerodynamic principles. Lift. The upward force that keeps the plane in the air, generated by the wings. Drag. The resistance force that opposes the plane's motion, slowing it down. Thrust. The forward force that propels the plane through the air, generated by the engines. Weight. The downward force caused by gravity, which the plane must overcome to stay in the air. 1. Acceleration. The plane builds up speed on the runway, assisted by the engine's thrust. 2. Rotation. The pilot pulls back on the control column to raise the plane's nose and increase the angle of attack. 3. Lift off. At a specific airspeed and angle, the wings generate enough lift to overcome weight and the plane leaves the ground. Flight instrumentation. Altimeter. Measures the current altitude of the plane above sea level. Airspeed indicator. Displays the current speed of the plane relative to the air around it. Attitude indicator. Shows the orientation of the plane relative to the horizon, indicating if the plane is level or climbing, descending. In-flight controls. 1. Ailerons. Located on the wings, they control the rolling motion of the plane. 2. Elevators. Located on the tail, they control the pitch motion of the plane. 3. Rudder. Located on the tail, it controls the yaw motion of the plane. Landing procedure. 1. Descent. The plane gradually descends from its cruising altitude towards the runway. 2. Approach. The plane lines up with the runway and adjusts its descent rate and airspeed. 3. Touchdown. The plane makes contact with the runway, its speed decreases, and it rolls to a stop. Mechanical maintenance and safety precautions. Maintenance. Regular inspections of the engines, landing gear, and control surfaces. Replacement of worn-out components and periodic overhauls. Servicing of the fuel, hydraulic, and electrical systems. Safety. Compliance with relevant aviation regulations and standards. Crew training and ongoing professional development. Adherence to strict safety procedures for critical operations, such as takeoff and landing.